I don't know how this works. Okay. I just want, because this is producing like both. Those aren't producing anything right now. It's producing copper and iron, but I only want iron to go here. So let's see what our options are. The belts, can we do different options on the belt? No? Okay. So we have pipes, boilers, steam engines, drills, oh, wood, interesting. Anyway. Oh. Good job, team. Those are pretty effective. Light armor, radar. Huh. Well. I don't know how to sort out, because like I have these sort of just running through the same system. So I don't really know how to make these go to certain sides. Interesting. Well, if you know, post down in the comments. I don't know, it might be too late by the time I see that, but... I mean, for now, I can just manually move it. So if I do a chest, and then an inserter, I can just put a chest, like, make sure the inserter's gonna have power first, I guess. So yeah, so we'll put that here, and then I'll put a chest here, and then I can just load this up with, you know, a bunch of those. So that'll move it over. Obviously I don't have to really do that because I could have just put the chest over here. But this will make ammunition and then load up these with ammunition. So that works, I guess. I mean, it's kind of weird. What I would like to do is find out how I can sort out items. So like I can move everything along a belt, but then make these things only grab certain items. That'd be kind of cool. So the more scanners, more radars I have, I guess, is will scan better, I guess. So maybe I'll do that. I will. So this conveyor belt I can actually also move further away. So let's make a bunch more power lines, and then we'll make a couple more guns. It's interesting that I don't have. I wonder what I'm short on. Oh, iron plates, because I put them all in here. Okay. So, then click on these, and that should give me more. So I want to have a radar, which I think I crafted. No, I didn't. And a couple guns. And then conveyor belts, and some inserters. Okay. Let's make another base further up, I guess. So we want power lines. Well, let's do I guess let's let some of this stuff build, because we have a big queue now. But this works pretty well. It's kind of weird, but keeps all this stuff running. So we can actually, it looks like we actually have more burners than we need for the output from these. So we could actually add more of these. Let's do that. I gotta find it again. This thing? No, this thing. So let's build that. Almost done. Okay. So we can rotate this dude like this, and then put an inserter here. Boop. No, that's not how it works. Belt. Here. There we go. Yeah, I don't know how you tell it what side to go on. I'll have to figure all this stuff out over time. Let's put a light over here. Okay, so we're maxed out on space for these, so we can I guess during the day maybe I'll do that. Because I'll work on putting stuff over there. So let me see. I need to get some more. So control click. I forgot to start my timer on this, so I'm not really sure what to... It's probably a really long episode. We'll see. Probably want some more conveyor belts. This is going to slowly scan the area, but we can make it go a little bit faster by... let's see. So let's bring this a little further out. I imagine is a good plan. We'll want to bring this over. Of course, I have to be over there to do it. Oops. Actually, no. We want to go this way. I'll get the hang of it. Oh no, that's not what I want. Yeah, zoom in. I want to go straight first. And then curve up. And then we're going to curve here. And then we're going to put down some guns. And then we're going to have inserters going behind it. And then this guy isn't happy for some reason. Why isn't he happy? You don't have power? Oh, do I not have enough juice in general in the system? Alright, let's grab some of this fuel. Or I'll just manually load it for now. I guess maybe the power doesn't go this far out. Because this should be connected. Oh no, it's not. Oh. Power line. Boop. Okay. Now you should be happy. Okay. Inserters. Boop. Boop. Power line. Awesome. Let's put some lights over here. Let's put some lights over here. And then we had a radar. Sweet. Let's put another gun in too. And some more conveyor belts. And inserter. And a power line. Yay! Conveyor belts. But yeah, so right now, I mean, this thing is now not keeping up, but it'll eventually keep up. I'm producing it faster than they're using it. So now what I want to do, I still want to figure that out, this whole thing. But I guess we're trying to scan the area. I don't really know. I assume I probably need another steam engine thing. Let's put it on. Does it work? Just like that? I guess so. Okay, cool. And the coal, we're doing fine there. These things ideally would have some coal in them. And so if I ran coal along this line too, they grab it, but the problem is it might backlog. So I don't really want that. Yeah, I wish I had a cool sorting thing. I guess that's maybe future technology. So now we're just trying to scan. Let's go ahead and grab some of these plates from down this way. Got a whole bunch of plates. Let's make another radar. Or a few, I guess. I don't really know if it matters if they're spaced out or not. Probably, I guess. Oh. You're getting your butt kicked, guys. Aha. Okay. So doing good. Looks like we have a little bit of a surplus at the end there, which is fine. Let's put in some more radars over here and there, I guess. Maybe. Why not? There we go. That should scan things. That's interesting. Now we're actually have a backlog for some reason. Don't really understand. This is a old thing. Oh, that's cool. I had coal in there and we actually got it back. It's good to know. Yeah, so these guys are grabbing the stuff. We have another radar we can throw down, I guess. Maybe that speeds it up. I don't fully understand how that part works. Okay, let's chop down some trees. I feel like we might want trees at some point. Well, I guess, so one thing I could do is, if I just ran this line up, this thing would only maybe grab just the plates. That might work. Let me try that. So if I take this, I don't want to move it along this. Yeah, this will be fine. Oh, I need more. Need more. Okay, there we go. So this will come over here, and then this we can bring. What happened here? Oops, I think I rotated it by accident. Okay, there we go. I can bring it this way, and then rotate that piece to be like that. So now this will just grab the items it needs, and then the rest of it can go into a chest. So that's, I guess, one way to sort of sort it. I mean, I wanted this whole line to just be one thing, but I guess this works. So we can bring it this way, and then instead of these chests down here, so we can just take these out. We can bring all that up here. So we can have the... There's no power here, so I'll have to fix that. But and then power lines. Put it here should work. There we go. So now this thing will grab whatever doesn't get grabbed by this thing, and then put them in the chest. So I'm assuming the copper stuff won't go through, and then all the plates that it needs will be picked up and then put into there. I think. So that's one way to do it, I guess. Now what I want to do is, I thought there was a replacement for these to make them upgraded to not require coal. But I'm not sure. So let's make an electric drill, and also bring some power over this way. And put the drill here, with the output facing down, not where I'm standing. And then conveyor belts going this way. And then turn. Turn. And then rotate. So now coal will also run through here. Which we put into these. So if this thing needs coal, it'll grab that. So this Should work. So like if this thing needed coal, let's say. Yeah, so this thing is going to also grab coal and put it in there for fuel for these furnaces. And then the surplus, I guess... yeah, so that's the thing. So I guess the coal will pile up here. Is there a way... I mean, I could just put that coal onto here. It'll mean that we might end up with just straight up iron and stuff on this. But I think it's okay. So let's do this. So that'll move whatever is here that wasn't picked up by other stuff. And just put it onto this platform, which will then be moved... What is this? Oh, this is my plates guy. Forgot about him. That's funny. We don't need this here. Okay. So we're almost done with our objective. Anyway, yeah, so in the meantime, what is this thing? Let's get rid of this. Okay. So we don't have a if we had stuff backed up here, I might worry about it more, but we don't right now. So far so good. Is there anything I haven't built that I feel like I should build? Are there any other assembly things we want to assemble? I don't think so. I think the main thing was just the ammunition, and we have that covered. I mean, I could make more of those, I guess. Nah, I'm not gonna worry about it. Maybe I'll worry about it. Let's make a couple assembly plants. I'll put them in here and then... But I think we have a surplus anyway over here. Yeah, I'm not gonna worry about it. I mean, I made it, but I'm not gonna actually place them. Just waiting for this to run through, I think. But this works pretty well. I still have to figure out how to put things on either side. It seems like they're just using the one side, except this thing is using the other side. I don't really know what that's about. Weird. No, I was wondering if I could go in the water. I guess not. Okay, we're at three more scans or whatever, and we're good to go. Try to down some trees in the meantime. We might end the episode once we get the scans. I'm sure this is a long episode. Yeah, this game's cool. I believe it was JJ Bonzig maybe that suggested it. Thank you for suggesting it. It was already sort of on my radar, but I hadn't executed on actually getting it. So, good job. Yay! Scans complete. Tab. Small shipwreck located in the southeast. Okay. Is this going to change? It's time to explore that area. Got it. Did I make armor? I did. Finish. Congratulations, you finished the tutorial demo campaign. As you have the full game, you can either continue playing the New Hope campaign or jump into free play. Either way, it's advised to go through the tips and tricks. We wish you. It's also late at night right now. We wish you have fun with Factorio and thank you for your support. You're welcome. Well, there you go. That's the end of this episode. That's the end of the tutorial. So we will play this in the future, and we're going to have lots of fun with making all kinds of crazy stuff. I'm sure there's all kinds of different, like, even just looking at this picture, it's pretty crazy. I'm excited. Okay. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.